Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on how to monitor the effective PPI in your Smart Linking panel. When you place images from your source system into InDesign, it is useful to see what the effective resolution of the image will be after placement. The effective image resolution only corresponds one-to-one with the real image resolution if you place the asset with 100% into the document. For instance, if you scale an image with 300 ppi resolution in InDesign to 50%, the effective PPI number doubles to 600 ppi. If you position the same image at 200%, the effective number of pixels is cut in half, since the image does not have more pixels available, but is, however, displayed twice as large. Of course, you can display this information in InDesign's native link panel. However, it is simpler and more convenient if the CI HUB connector informs you directly in the Smart Linking panel if the effective PPI resolution is less than a previously defined value. This way, you can work with the CI HUB connector as usual, and at the end you will be informed in the Smart Linking panel if there are assets with too low a resolution in the document. To use the function, go to the Settings menu and check whether the checkmark Enable PPI Check with Minimum is set. Behind that, set the minimum PPI. You will now receive a warning in the form of a red PPI behind the asset in the Smart Linking panel. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.